We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I am Dave. And today we're going to be looking at the custom project for S&P 500. Let's get started. If you haven't checked out the book, check out the book. I'll put the link in the description below. Here's the blog where you can download the S&P 500 custom project. You can download all three of them right from here. So go get it. So here are the S&P 500 custom projects. Open them up. All you got to do is press start. I recommend using the mean reversion building blocks for which you can load here, which for this strategy. For all of them, H1, H4, and D1. So mean reversion, that's what I'm recommending for this. You know what to do. Press the thumbs up button if you like custom projects, and if you have a recommendation of what I should make next, hey, hit me up, shoot me an email, write me a comment, or give me a phone call. I'll talk to you then. Bye.